Action.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. And the guacamole. Mmm. It's really good.
Okay, I want to taste one.
Try this. This, I don't know what it is. It's excellent.
Okay. Two.
How do you know Sam?
Sam is my friend. We work together in the same company.
Really? You work for RCO?
Oh yeah.
That's good.
What about you?
Excuse me. Sam and I studied together in high school.
Really?
Yeah, well, we've been friends for a long time. Yeah.
Okay.
Where do you live? Do you live around here?
Yeah, I live in the Tlaquepaque.
Oh, me too. I work in Tlaquepaque.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
I work in an English school. I'm a teacher.
I work in Tlaquepaque. I live in Tlaquepaque, very near from the Sam's Club.
Sam's Revolution?
Yeah.
That's funny. I work like 2 blocks from the Sam's. Do you know República de Guatemala?
Oh yeah.
República de Guatemala, like in front of the junior high 39?
I live 1 block from the Revolution Street. 1 block behind the Cuban Fried Chicken.
What's your address?
Diego Rivera.
I know that street. Hey, you're really close to where I work.
I don't see the school before.
No? It's right on the corner of Guatemala and Jesus Mata. It's called Proabla. It's a little school.
I don't walk this way.
Yeah? Well, it's cool. Well, by the way, my name's Rodrigo.
Antonio Cervantes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Well, Antonio, listen, my girlfriend's calling me. That's my girlfriend over there. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Hey,
you.
you should go by the school sometime when you have a chance.
Okay, I want to change.